Welcome to the technical orientation on the Swachh Evam Harit Vidyalay rating SHVR 2026-27. In this video, we will guide you through the complete process of participating in SHVR through the web portal. Please follow each step carefully to ensure smooth and successful registration, self-assessment and submission. Participating in SHVR 2026-27 is simple and convenient. Schools can complete the process either through the SHVR web portal or the mobile application, depending on their preference and convenience. In this video, we will focus specifically on participation through the web portal. Let us begin by understanding how to access the SHVR web portal and complete the first stage of participation, which is school registration and login. To begin, open your preferred web browser and visit the official SHVR 2026-27 portal. The homepage provides access to important sections such as Home, About SHVR, SHVR Resources, SHVR Progress, Timelines, FAQs, and Contact Us. These sections contain useful information and resources to support schools throughout the SHVR process. To start the registration or login process, click on the Login or Sign Up button available on the homepage. You will then be redirected to the Sign Up and Login page. If your school is already registered for the SHVR 2026-27 cycle, enter your UDICE Plus code, password and CAPTCHA in the respective fields. After verifying the details, click on Login to access your account. Schools may also access the portal using the OTP login option. However, if your school has not yet registered for the SHVR 2026-27 cycle, click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. Once you click on Sign Up, the school registration process begins. Keep the required school details ready and carefully follow the instructions displayed on the screen. The sign-up process consists of 5 simple steps. In the first step, enter your school's UDICE Plus code and the CAPTCHA displayed on the screen, and then click Continue. If you do not know your school's UDICE Plus code, you can use the Know Your School facility of UDICE Plus to find it. In the second step, re-enter your school's UDICE Plus code. Provide the required mobile number, enter the CAPTCHA and click Continue. An OTP will then be sent to the registered mobile number for verification. In the third step, enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number in the designated field. After entering the correct OTP, click Continue to proceed with the registration process. The fourth step requires you to provide some additional information about your school. First, select your appropriate role from the options available in the drop-down menu. Next, select the appropriate option regarding the usage of the school premises. You will also be asked whether your school is located in a border village. Select Yes or No as applicable to your school. After completing these selections, carefully verify the information provided. Tick the declaration confirming that the details are accurate and pertain to your school and role. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click I agree. The Verify and Proceed button will then become active. Click on it to complete this stage. In the fifth and final step of Sign Up, create a strong password by following the password instructions displayed on the screen. Click Sign Up once the password has been created. Remember this password, as it will be required along with your UTIES Plus code for future logins to the SHVR portal. Once the process is successfully completed, a confirmation message stating "Sign up completed" will appear on the screen. Your school has now successfully completed the sign-up process. After sign-up, you will be redirected to the next stage, completion of the school profile. Here, you will be required to provide the primary information related to your school in 3 steps. In the first step of primary information, enter the required details, such as the number of students enrolled in the school, along with the other information displayed on the screen. Ensure that the information entered is correct and up to date. Once completed, click Save and Next to proceed. In the second step, indicate whether your school has previously received recognition at different levels under the overall school category by selecting Yes or No as applicable. After completing the required fields, click Save and Next. If necessary, you may also return to the previous step to review or edit the information entered earlier. Carefully review the fields displayed on the screen and select the response that accurately represents your school. Once all the required information has been provided, click Save and Next to continue. In the third step, respond to the 2 questions displayed on the screen by selecting Yes or No as applicable. Review your responses carefully and click Submit to complete the primary information section. You may also return to the previous step to make corrections before submission if required. Once the primary information has been successfully submitted, a confirmation pop-up displaying Registration Successful will appear. Click OK and you will be redirected to the school dashboard on the SHVR portal. This completes the school registration process. Now that the registration process is complete, let us move to the next important stage, which is completion of the SHVR Self-Assessment Survey. The school dashboard provides 4 important options: survey categories, upload photos, school profile, and final preview. To begin the self-assessment, click on Survey Categories. Begin with the first survey category, Water. Carefully read each question and select the response that most accurately reflects the existing situation in your school. Before responding, review the key indicators and read the question notes wherever provided, as they offer important guidance for selecting the appropriate response. Remember to use Save as Draft periodically so that your responses are saved while completing the survey. Continue answering all questions in the survey category carefully. After completing the last question, click Save as Draft to save your responses and proceed using Next. Please note that question notes may not be available for every question. Once the required survey sections are completed, the Next Step option becomes active and takes you to the photo upload stage. A photo upload option will now appear. The photographs uploaded at this stage serve as supporting evidence for the information provided during the self-assessment. Therefore, ensure that the photographs accurately represent the facilities and practices reported by your school. We now move to the next part of the participation process, uploading supporting photographic evidence for the SHVR self-assessment. You can begin uploading photographs either by clicking the photo upload option displayed after completing the survey or by selecting Upload Photos directly from the school dashboard. Both options will take you to the photo upload section. Before uploading photographs, make sure that they are clear, relevant and correspond to the respective SHVR categories. Keep the required photographs saved on your computer beforehand. Click Upload and select the appropriate photograph from your device and upload it against the relevant category. Follow the same process until all required photographs have been successfully uploaded. Once the survey and photo upload process is complete, we move to the next stage, review and final submission. This is an important step as it allows you to verify the information before submitting the form. Click on Final Preview to carefully review all the information entered in the self-assessment form and the evidence uploaded. Check every section for completeness and accuracy. If any correction is required, make the necessary changes before proceeding. Please remember that no changes can be made once the form has been finally submitted. Once you are satisfied that all the information is complete and correct, click on Final Submit. A confirmation message will appear before the submission is finalized. If you select Cancel at this stage, you can return to the form and make further changes. Proceed with Final Submit only after verifying all the details. After successful final submission, a congratulatory confirmation message will appear on the screen along with the option Go to Dashboard. Your form submission reference number will also be displayed. Please note down or retain this reference number for future correspondence and reference. Your SHVR self-assessment has now been successfully submitted. Let us proceed to the final part of this orientation and understand how to view and download the submitted report for your records. To access your submitted form, return to the school dashboard and click on the Preview option. This will allow you to view the information submitted by your school. After opening the submitted form, the option to download it will be displayed. Click on Download PDF to save a copy of your completed SHVR self-assessment form on your computer. The system will generate a PDF version of the submitted information. It is advisable to save this document securely for your school's records and for future reference whenever required. If you face any difficulty or require assistance at any stage of registration, self-assessment or submission, please contact the SHVR Help Desk using the email address shvr.support@ciet.nic.in. The toll-free support facility is also available from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Friday on 8800-440-559. All the queries will be addressed within the stipulated working time.